Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to write our first Selenium script using Python. Okay, and in my previous video I explained about how what is the introduction about a Selenium with a Python and also installation like downloading that files and what are the required softwares before going to do for Selenium Python and download it and install into your Windows system. Okay, how to set up the environment variable and everything I explained into my previous two videos. Okay, coming to this session, after creation of the project in a PyCharm and a project place, you can right click new a directory. Without directory also we can able to create, with the directory also we can able to create the files. Okay, why with the directory I'm creating, right? To understand that where exactly our file is presented. Okay, the file, the directory indicates that this particular session files, set of files presented in that particular directory. If you are creating without any directory, it's like a clumsy, like what file it is going the first, what file it is presented where, we can able to make some confusions. Okay, if you create the particular directory, then it will help you to understand where exactly the files are presented. Okay, now I'm going to create here as first test case. No need to, sorry, it's a directory, right? Selenium. Okay, that is directory is my file, that is my directory file, and again in the directory right click and new, there is a Python file. Okay, here I'm going to create for first test case without any extension. It is basically once you click the enter with the choose a Python file, then it will create .py file. Okay, it's like same to same for Java. When you are going to create a file inside the Eclipse for Java file, we are not providing for dot, right? It will create a file for java.java, and also it is added for some code. It's like a public class name, and then it will give for static main, and then it will give here empty because not required for a main and all. Without main also we can able to create, with main also we can create, but object creation is a different format for Python. It's like a class A, you can able to specify and you can able to define some test, a test, and here you can able to mention some print statement hello. Then if you want to create object of this class, you can able to, you can give any object equal to A, like then we can able to create object in Java. If you want to create for A, object equal to a new A, and like that we need to create. It is not required for that much. Okay, that's why we are going to create for .py without any extension. It will create for empty file here. Okay, once we created the file, it is presented under Selenium place. Now what exactly we need to pull out of that first Selenium script purpose? For this we need to write for from Selenium import a web driver. Okay, and then we imported the web driver into our place. Now what exactly we need to do? The driver equal to webdriver dot chrome. Okay, see here there are two different kind of things. If you Chrome driver, if you want to open, then we require to go for some IDE. If you will get for selenium dot dev location. Go to that particular website selenium.dev, and here downloads, and go to down, there is a browsers support, it will be present. Browsers, click on the browsers, you can able to see this all the browsers it is presented. Okay, which browser you are working, that browser IE you want to download. Okay, means Eclipse download files like exe file you need to download the supported. See, in case, check first your browser what exactly it is presented in the help about Chrome. You will get for which version, latest version presented in your system. Okay, after that you can able to go to here Chrome latest version, the documentation place you need to click. Once you click, and you will see there is a latest stable version is 107 is a stable version. Okay, and my version is 106 is the version it is presented. If you take that 107, it will not help, because it will show you some error, because your version is presented 106 is a Chrome driver, but you are using for 107, then we need to use for 106, then you need to click on here. Otherwise you need to upgrade, like upgrade your Chrome browser for 107, then you can able to use for 107 stable version 1. Okay, once you click this one, it will give us for exe. Once you got the exe, there are two ways we can able to provide this Chrome options. Once you downloaded the exe, store any location for that exe. Okay, once you provided the any location, there is a concept called executable path. This path you need to provide here, the path of the location where we store for Chrome exe. Just now we downloaded, right? That file location we need to specify here. Then once you specify, like in a Selenium Java time, we are going to provide for system path, system.set properties, then we are going to use for driver, web driver equal to Chrome driver, like that we are passing, and then we are passing for the path of the location where we save for that Chrome driver, or its Firefox driver, or Opera, or Microsoft Edge, right? Any location we are going to store it, right? That particular location one we are going to pull out of them, correct? For that settings, it will give that to communicate with your already executed browser, right? The same format we are going to provide here. If I want to, without providing this executable path, how can I use it? Means, once you download that exe, go to in the download place, extract that file zip folder, and take the file, come to here, like go to users, C drive users, users, and name of the users, and you can go to app data and local. uh, Basically that app data is hidden field, you have to extract the hidden fields and visible, then you can able to take it. For extracting that, you can able to go for view place, there is a hidden items it is presented, that you have to click, then only can able to see hidden files also. Once you saw that one, then you can able to click for app data, then you can able to go for local programs and Python 38, and there is a scripts, and here you need to paste it, any exe you download for the browser supported file, we need to provide here. Whenever we create the project, it will create a virtual system libraries, right? Virtual system it will create. In that virtual script, if you are extracting for scripts, it will take all the supported files from the scripts location, which are what all the things are presented in this particular Python place. That all the things it will take it here, okay, and it will save into this inside it the files, lib folders. What all the lib folders it is supported files are presented, everything it will brings here. And you feel that it is not waste, not looking good, and I will delete like this, don't think it. This is a library. You can able to example, you can able to say like when you created moment repository and you create the pom xml, you added here, and once you updated, then the file all the things are downloaded moment repository. I can able to see in the project structure, right? External for jar files, the same similar format it will treat this one here, okay. And if you keep this chrome driver into the script location, no need to provide this particular executable path, okay. Then we provided for executable path, then we need to open for our driver. For that, driver dot get is basically to take the url https https / www.google.com. Then we took about we opening the browser. Whatever, if you are open the browser, we need to uh, get something to check whether it is properly get it or not. Means we have that driver dot title. In basically in the Selenium Java, Selenium C Sharp, we have the get method to get the title, right? But here it is like driver dot title. For this, we need to print our file, the value which we are going to get it. Then we need to close our driver. This is my code. Now I'm going to open my terminal. First, we need to use for Python space the directory where we have our files slash. Then I'm going to create for first test case dot py. Then enter. Okay, then it will communicate the driver into that particular Chrome driver, and which is the browser it is present local. Then it will open your browser, then it will show you that uh, opening the browser and open the URL and get the title and close the title browser. Okay, this is a simple program, and next session we'll go for to do for WebDriver manager how we can able to use it without using our Chrome driver extensions. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you like this video, please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to make some comments, and also don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.